Hi, Angel. First off, I want to tell you that the logo is improved and it really helps here. I think looking through, as you go to your contacts, you've got all caps, and your gallery is upper lower, and it moves location. You want ideally on the site this size. It's not really very big. You want these headers to be in the same place. All in all, this is clean and works well. Um, I think, however, this probably doesn't need to be bold. I think maybe you want to have a sans serif here after all. Probably should have caught this the first time, um, but it seems, and keep in mind this image here, it's going to the logo when I try to get on home. Maybe that means you want to bring all this over a little bit. I think maybe and again, you've got upper lowercase going on your headers. This might be nice just because of the topic. It would be clean if it were a sans serif. But see here you have all caps. And you've got a different color, white here, and then you go to the blue. The white is very clean, and that's fine. But we've got to get our upper and lower cases the same consistency. I recommend putting all these headers on the same place on each page. And try a sans serif here. Also, this might be a bold, in which case it's a little heavy. Even if it's not bold, the size and the weight of the font makes it a little bit heavy. I think you can either go a little bit smaller, although this is great to read and probably works well on mobile. It's a little heavy, so that's something to think about. These corners, I think, are going to be better if they're not rounded, simply because this is something clean is usually very straight edge. The other alternative is to capture this circular concept and repeat that and have a nice circle that isn't cutting anything off, is nicely centered. That's an option here too, and that would pick up your repetition, which is a design principle of your circles. Okay, getting into details like that. This is a little easier. I like this font. I think this is what you need right here. Okay, I think that would work. So it's a nice, simple, straightforward font. You've made some really good design decisions, and you're just so close that I wanted to give you a little video feedback. And this works out fine. These, side by sides work out just fine. It's just the headers right now. The logo, like I said, is really working comparatively. It's much better. You'll probably want to work on that as you move forward. But all in all, you've done a great job with improvements, and there's just some little squeaky details there. All right, good job, Angel.